Hi, my name is Kizzy and I'm NottaNailTech. Tomorrow's my birthday, and to be honest, it's probably going to be crappy just like my last one, but at least my nails are going to be done. So let's go ahead and create a cute little birthday set. I want a cute little fun look, so I think we're going to airbrush this set. So Saviland contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try their new Airbrush Gel Nail Polish. So I was like, sure, send it on over. So they was like, okay, do you got an airbrush machine? I was like, matter of fact, I don't. So they sent me over an airbrush machine as well. So let's try to create something special with this. I also got these cute little nail tips from NOVO OVO. You know I'm obsessed with their nails. So these come with the stickers. They come with this little special little file here that you could use to get into the nooks and the crannies. And these are their half moon tips. So you can use them as a tip, or you could use them full cover. Now, I like their nails because they run a little big. I don't have to do a 0. So if you have bigger nail plates, you don't really have to worry about it. If you're a chunky nail plate girl, these will work for you. And this is the thick edition. It's really thick at the tip. See, I'm putting all my strength on there. It's not going anywhere. And thinner towards the cuticles, which is cool because I don't always like to build my nail. So this works to add strength to it. I'm already prepped, so we're just going to skip that today. But if you want your nails to last, make sure you push back your cuticles, filed your nail plate, prepped and primed, and put on a base coat. So I'm just going to take my Kira Sky 4-in-1 HEMA-free nail glue, slather some on that base there. I put it down, swipe it up, then go back down and press it down. Flash cure for 15 seconds. Again, swipe it up, come back down, press it down, 15 seconds, and then once all the nails are done, 60 seconds in the big oven. Take my drill, go around my nail bed, make sure I got anything that oozed out, and get that nail a little more flush with my cuticles. You also need to go in this half moon part and remove the tab. If you don't got a drill, this is what that little special file is that came with it. So you get up in the creases. Alright, let's get to this polish. Now what's supposed to be special about this is there's no need for dilution. Rich pigment, high gloss shine, and silky delicate consistency. So main part out of this, you do not have to dilute it. I ain't got to mix it with nothing, just pour it in the joint. And it comes in 12 colors. Got a guide here. And then you got these little caps here, and you use these caps to open up the bottles. Kind of how nail glue comes and you got to puncture the top in order to use it. That's what these are. And puncture the tops. I was thinking about doing green because that's my birthstone color, but pink's my favorite color. So I'm just going to go with my favorite. I know I'm going to use this white. So let's take that out. And I'm going to take out the dark pink and the light pink, but I may not be using both. We'll see as we go. And then we got the different little parts of the airbrush here, charger, the little tanks. I don't know what they're officially called, but I'm gonna call them tanks. The little sprayer part, the cleaning brushes, and the condenser. And I'm so glad they sent it in pink. Really fits the vibe. All right, so that part screws on here. And this releases the spray. And screw the tank part on there. And simple enough. Now before we get to spraying though, I just want to put down the base. So I'm going to throw some white polish all over the thumb here. As well as the ring finger. Grab this. This is from one of those Amazon sets that come with like 1,000 colors for $30. One of them. And this is surprisingly going on very well. Nice and smooth. Good coverage. You know, this is the second time I didn't use this little brand. and I've been blown back. Look at that. That's one coat. What is this? MEFA? You know, this is pretty good. Like I said, I got this off Amazon. If you need a bunch of the bottle's really small. I mean, this is like test paint. Just to see what color it's gonna be. But you know, if you just need a bunch of little colors, you might want to check out MEFA. Now, I don't know what it got in there. You know what I mean? I'm just saying the coverage is pretty good. And you know, I'm just gonna take some alcohol and I'm gonna wipe off the tacky layer because I really don't have time for a tacky layer right now. Did I tell y'all this is my first time airbrushing? I ain't never airbrushed before. So I just don't want to even deal with the tacky layer. And take that right on off. Let's open up this tank. This is what it looks like inside. We're gonna do the white nail first. Oh, and before we do it, let's throw on some stencils. I got me some more stencils from Amazon because baby, I don't got time. Like I said, I ain't never did this before, but I do want it to come out cute. So let's just throw some stencils on there and to help your girl out. So these came with 6 sheets, things like stars and hearts and butterflies and things. I think I'm gonna focus more on the stars and the hearts. Let's pull off a heart, throw that thing right there. Pow, that looks good. Let's get another one. I'm gonna get some tweezers here. Pow, throw that on. Tap. Okay. Back to the polish. Let's go ahead and shake that up. This is the rose pink. We're gonna take them tabs I was talking about. Press down, puncture it, pull it back up, and got a little bit everywhere. And I don't know how much to pour in here, so I'm gonna just throw a couple of drops in this thing and close it back up. And let me down some paper towel because I don't know how messy this is. Don't want to make a mess. All right, it's already charged. Turn it on and get to spraying. Let's see. Do a little test spray first, you know what I mean? Okay, that's good. And spray it on there. Okay. Is that it? Spray a little more. Okay, I think that's about it. I'm gonna peel it off before I cure it because I want to see what it look like. This is a gel, so you gotta cure it. Oh, look at that. Get this one up. I probably shouldn't have pressed down on it so hard. I'm used to doing, you know, stickers where you need to press it down into your nail. Oh, now isn't that adorable? Isn't that adorable? Take a little Q-tip, try to get some of that up. Okay, let's try a star. Let me take the inverse side now. Get a little more spray. Spray it down, spray a little more. All right, I think that's good. Gee, if I can get this up off of here. Oh, isn't that nice and clean? Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Okay. But now that I have my airbrush color I'm going to use, I'm going to switch the base of my nails. The pink, I need a louder pink. So I got this one out here and we switched her on out. It might be subtle, but this is definitely a brighter pink than the last one I had on. And see, that matches the airbrush color a little better. back to the stencils. Let's do the other white finger first so we can finish off the pink polish all at once. Do a star in the middle and a couple of hearts. And I'm not piling everything on top of each other because I want to leave space for my bling as well. So a little pink there, little pink there, little pink there. Build it up a little more. Peel that on off and we are cooking with fire now. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Go ahead and clean out my machine, get all that pink out of there. And while I was cleaning up, I seen that I had some of these numbers here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw my birth year on there, you know? I think that'd be cute. I already got the 8. So let me throw the 4 next to it. Don't be calculating, okay? No, I'm a proud 41. A proud 41. I am just playing. Throw that white in there, close that top up, and let's do a butterfly right about here. I think that'll be hot. And the star is a little jazzy. Throw that there. And it needs a little friend. Yes, it does. Might as well throw some randos on this pinky real quick. Hit that up with the white. This is so easy. Why didn't y'all tell me to airbrush before? Come on, y'all. Peel that on off. Oh, I love that star. And that one looks a little wonky. But I haven't cured it yet, so let me just wipe that off. Throw another one down. Try her again. And that one's nice and crispy. Throw an inverse one at the bottom. Hit that. Peel her off. Hey. Peel off my butterfly and my other stars. This is coming out so well. It's actually what I planned in my head, and that rarely happens. Let me just insecure if I mess something up. Hit up this index here. Perfect. Throw a couple more on this thing. Little flower, little star. All right, that is awesome. So I got a bunch of these rando golden pink charms. From where? Amazon. Oh, but before I do the charms, I got this chain, and I love me a chain, baby. So let's just go ahead and frame out the 84 with a chain. You know what I'm saying? Isolate it so it stand out a little bit. Get it on, straighten it out. Yeah, I like that. Now let me find, I gotta catch a vibe here. Don't like that one. Not feeling the butterfly either. Now this might do. I'm thinking this is gonna do. Little crowned up heart. That fits. That fits the situation. Throw that on there, cock it to the side a little bit. Flash carry that on into place. Another little crown. You know what I mean? Because we royalty around here. A little rando pink rhinestone there. And let's throw a $sign on here because that's what we trying to attract this year. Okay? So let's put it in our nail, put it into existence. With some more randos. And throw a bow at the top for like gifts and stuff, you know what I mean? More randos. And I don't know if you see me throw that cherry on the thumb, but I mean, that's just cute, you know what I mean? No particular reason. It's just cute. But it looks a little blank at the top of this thumb, right? So I'm gonna take my regular pink little circle rhinestones and make a little swoop, because I love me a swoop. So biggest to smallest. Line her up. And get it spaced out right. Get your butt up there. There we go. Get your butt on this nail. Come on now. See? Ooh, I like that. Let's do it at the bottom too. Ooh, that's saucy. That's saucy. And let's hit it with a top coat. Little cuticle. Oh. And this is what we got. I absolutely love them. Love them. Some people like the delicate nails, baby. I like it hood. And this is right up my alley. I love them. They were so easy to do. I'm glad I didn't have to do the whole dilution am I saying it right? The dilution process. This is awesome. I love the shape. Okay, I don't know why I ain't never tried this shape, this little half moon shape. I don't know. But this came out perfect. Perfect. Look at that thumb, baby. Look at that thumb. That's my favorite one. Well, maybe the 84. I don't know. I think I like that thumb though. And if you like shiny things, I'm sure you will find something to love at my sunglass shop, the SmartAssLook.com. And for my birthday, I'm doing a 50% off sale for the rest of the month. So if you ever wanted to try me, if you got stuff in your cart, this is the time to get it. I get a lot of questions about my shop. I am not a dropship company, honey. I purchase, package, and ship everything myself. So if you want to try it, check it out. You can go to the shop tab on my channel and it'll take you to my store, or I will leave the link below. There is a couple of items that they put on, I know that they put at the bottom of the of my video. Those are just a couple of items, honey. We have so many sunglasses. So check us out if you would like. So I enjoy spending this time with you every week. If you like spending time with me, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you so much for stopping by. And until next week, have a good day. Bye.